Hello, my name is Frank Galdames. I'm a treatment consultant here at Radiance Dentistry. Today I will be answering a most common question we hear from some of our patients. I was not approved for financing. What are my options now? First, we have to double check the application to make sure no errors were made. Double check your name, your address, social security number, etc. Second, once you receive the letter from the lender explaining the reason for the denial, you can start working on those items one at a time right away. More than likely, you will need to pay down the existing debt and clean up any negative items on your credit report. You can do this on your own or work with a credit repair agency. A good credit repair agency can greatly improve your credit score in as little as 4 months. We have a couple of trusted partners we can recommend. You may ask, Frank, fixing my credit will take some time and I need the treatment done now. What can I do? That's a great question, and clinically the time to do it is always now. You have two options. First option, you get a co-signer, someone with a great credit score and history. You make the monthly payments, they're responsible to the lender in case you don't pay. Second option, you apply for a secure loan. A secure loan is a loan backed by collateral, financial assets you own, like a home, a car, a boat, or a 401k account that can be used as payment to the lender if you don't pay back the loan. With a home equity loan, your interest rate will be much lower than with an unsecured loan, and the length of the loan will be longer, lowering your monthly payment. With most 401k plans, you can borrow up to half of the amount in your plan, and the neat thing about it is you will be paying interest to yourself. Check with your financial advisor and your plan administrator for specific details. What if none of these options are available to you at this time? At this point, I would recommend that you get a temporary fix or some therapeutic treatment while you work on improving your credit score and financial situation. Please let us know in the comment section below if you have more questions, and we will be happy to reply. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our videos. Thank you and see you again soon.